Hello and welcome back to Autosplorer, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at one of the most revolutionary cars in Indian automotive history, the Tata Nano. Dubbed the world's cheapest car, the Tata Nano was an ambitious project by Tata Motors to make car ownership accessible to millions. Launched in 2008, it was a game-changer, offering a compact, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly alternative to motorcycles. But despite its affordability, the Nano was not just about cost-cutting. It had a unique design and engineering marvels that set it apart. Let's start with its exterior. The Tata Nano features an ultra-compact yet practical design, measuring just 3.1 meters in length, making it one of the smallest cars ever produced. The car's short wheelbase and tall boy stance provide excellent maneuverability, perfect for navigating congested city streets. At the front, you'll notice the Nano's simple yet friendly face. It comes with large swept-back headlights that enhance visibility while adding a distinctive character. The bumper is clean and minimalistic, featuring a wide air intake to keep the engine cool. The hood is extremely short, as the engine is rear-mounted, leaving more space for the cabin. Moving to the side profile, the Nano's compact proportions become even more apparent. The high roofline ensures ample headroom, while the small 12-inch wheels are pushed to the corners, maximizing interior space. The single wiper on the windshield is a cost-effective yet efficient solution, and the absence of panel gaps showcases Tata's commitment to quality. At the rear, the Nano's design remains simple and functional. The vertically stacked tail lamps give it a taller appearance. The rear hatch is fixed, meaning there's no traditional trunk, and access to the cargo area is through the inside. A small rear bumper and minimal overhangs contribute to its lightweight and fuel-efficient nature. Despite its compact size, the Tata Nano's aerodynamic design helps improve fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. The lightweight sheet metal construction further enhances its efficiency, ensuring better mileage. The Nano was available in a range of vibrant colors, adding a fun and youthful appeal. Its bold styling, combined with practical engineering, made it an ideal urban commuter. That's a wrap on the exterior of the Tata Nano. Let us know in the comments what you think of this tiny marvel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autosplorer for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next one. Drive safe.